Very simple tool, but one that really is going to speed up a lot of the work if you have to create legal descriptions, is this Create Legal Description tool. You can grab a polyline, a closed polyline, or a Civil 3D parcel. Of course, the parcel, you grab it by the area label. But let's go to the settings, and let's just kind of walk through the settings a little bit. For your legal description, you have the introduction before you get to any segments of the legal description. And then for any line segments, how do you want it to be read? Before the information about the line, in between the direction and the distance, and then at the end following the direction and distance. As regards the direction, you can identify the precision for the length as well as the angular precision. What is your settings when it comes to minutes, degrees, seconds, decimal seconds, and the like. This works very similar to how if you set it up in AutoCAD units and establish surveyor units, what your angular precision would be as well. Now we come to the direction name. You have the same settings as you would with Civil 3D, and by default those would be what your Civil 3D drawing settings would be set up as well as the capitalization of that direction. Is it going to be all caps, or is it going to be in title caps, or is it all going to be in lowercase? You can also choose to use the symbols or actually enter text. And then coming to the curve options, similarly you can establish what you want as an output. You want it to say a curve to the left, a curve to the right, and you can of course put in what text you want in there for the curve direction, for the radius, for the arc length, chord bearing, chord length, and you just kind of build out and put them in the order that you want for the output. At the end of it, of course, you have the area options that the parcel, the entire parcel, contains this amount of area, and of course you can establish that area in whatever means you want. It'll say this before the area, it'll say this after the area, and this will be the precision. So again, a lot of control. You can move these items up and down in your settings, and this is saved per drawing. So once you set this up, you click OK, you save the drawing, it'll stay with this drawing. But what I often like to do is set it up for a specific area or county or project, and then you can export those settings to a file, an external file, and that way any drawing you can just go ahead and import those. So very easy to do. And what is the result? Well, let's go ahead and open up a new drawing here with those legal descriptions in there. I'm going to go ahead and click Create Legal Description, select this parcel, and you notice it spits the information out to the command line. And the reason the command line is because there's so many different, it could be a Word doc, it could be a spreadsheet, it could be a lot of other tools that you may want to export this to. Very easy though to just select the text. It's already formatted and ready to go, copy and paste, and then you can put it into whatever external file that you would like to do. But you see how well it's written out. We have uppercase. We chose to use the symbols for the directions. It gathered all the information together and put us a nice legal description together. We could just continue to spit these out for each location as we go.